43% of companies in a 7-day period across ThreatLocker's customer base had at least one employee go to an adult website on their work computer. Yes.
Is this a made-up statistic or an actual one?
This is an actual statistic.
43%? I'm surprised it's that low, to be honest.
That seems... I mean, I guess it's only one employee in the company. So 43% of companies, organizations out of the 50...
Craig agrees. Only 43%? Question mark.
I just thought everybody knew their work computer was monitored.
Obviously not.
So we want to focus on making sure people are using their work computers for work. And often we're thinking about web content as adult sites and gambling sites and sites that you want to block. Malicious sites are really important. But also, other things you think about is project management sites. Shadow IT is a real problem. And we even have problems in ThreatLocker, believe it or not. So one of the cool features you can actually do as well is make sure you block project management tools that aren't approved by your business, or Shadow IT, or the cloud storage application. So Dropbox, Box, if you don't use it, if you don't permit it, just block it. And if somebody wants it, then they can request it. They can go through a proper security audit. So it's not just about blocking adult sites. So at this point, I think at the end of last week, I said you should be about 60% through rolling out the agent to start monitoring on your machines, not blocking down, whether it's a ThreatLocker agent or another agent, but something that's going to catalog all this data. But at this point, you should be really pushing that out, getting the last of those machines and making sure that all of those machines are in monitor only mode. And I'm going to show you here on my screen how to extend the monitor only periods. By default, it's 3 weeks, but I'm going to show you how you can extend it. So if you can just bring up my display there. So in the computers page here, if you've got the computers already installed and you want to extend the maintenance period, so by default, bear in mind they go into learning mode, we can say schedule maintenance and we can extend it out. If we wanted to do 3 months, we can always change it. We can just say application control learning here, computer. This means it's going to learn applications on a per computer basis. Don't check this box because the user will get a pop-up saying, do you want to end it? And
if
then
they get a pop-up, they'll click it.
Then you can hit start maintenance. If it's before you've installed the agent and you want to extend that period, you can go into the groups page here. You can pick the group you're going to push out to, and you can say the default period is up to 45 days, or you can just say indefinite, which is like 10 years or something.
Yeah, don't do that though. You will forget.
Yeah, that's it's a big problem. So you can extend it out as well here. Now, bear in mind, although we are making a change on this based on request, if you change this to 45 days, it will not change existing computers in your organization. It will only change new computers that are installed after you change this group setting. We are making a change where you can go in and you can say, do you want to update existing computers? But for now, you have to go into the computers page and update the computers as well to a longer period if you don't want to lock them down just yet.